Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech with S1. So this is not a tutorial demo or learning video. It's gonna be my studio setup or the desk setup where I work. So if you are someone who is interested in looking at that, please go ahead and watch this video till the very end. And all the links about the products that I'm using are in the description. Please feel free to check that out if you are planning to buy it only. Not marketing anyone here, so just if you're interested and if you're planning to buy, use the link and purchase it, because I'm taking an oath to donate all the things, all the money that I get because of the affiliate marketing to a good cause in the end of 2026. If possible, I'll try to upload a video on that as well. So if you're looking for it, go ahead. If not, please proceed. So if this is something that excites you, let's get into the video. Alright, as soon as I enter the studio, this is how exactly the studio looks. So coming to the background, so this is the background that I have. So right now, I don't know why, but from the last few years, I've started liking the color black. So even if you might have observed, I use black tees in all of my videos. I don't know why, but I'm obsessed with the black color. And this is the bookshelf that I have. So I've started, learning from all of these books. Recently, I started about a book called 100 Million Leads. So this is what I've started reading, and these are some of the gifts that I received from my friends, and these are souvenirs that I received from the colleges too. And you know that I also volunteer for an organization or non-profit organization called IEEE, and these are some of the flags from IEEE. So I spoke at AWS Community Days. So these are the cards that I've received from the AWS team. And this is how exactly the background looks like, right? So let me zoom out a bit so that you can see. And usually this is where I set and record. And this is the background that I just upgraded. So this is how it looks. Now coming to the tech side of things. So here, if you observe, if you're a Mac user, then you probably might have used something like this, right? So I'm using the similar one, which you can find on Amazon. So we can check that out. And this is a laptop sleeve that I have. This is the remote for the lighting setup that I have. So I can control the light from this. And I travel a lot frequently. So these are the travel adapters that I have. So I pretty much use this for outstation and out of country travels. And these are the pens and the extra adapters, cables. And I found a YouTube video which actually recommended to clean your Mac's area which you cannot touch on using this toothbrush. This is a new one. Don't judge me because of the color and the attire. It was paint actually. So I use this to clean my laptops. And this is the power bank that I'm using, Amren. And this is my spectacles and books that I have to journal everything that I have, right? This is a microphone that I use to record the videos, Boya. It's a cheap one. You can find it. And that really does the job well, right? So if you want to see the product itself, so these are the two tiny small things which you can use. So how do you use it? This is a USB-C connector. So all you have to do is plug to your laptop or your phone or your iPad. You can insert this and start using the microphone. So it automatically recognizes and you can use it. All right. So this is a calendar that I received as a gift from Garden City University. So this is a stand from a local vendor or a table from the local vendor. So I do not have any affiliate link for that, but if you want, you can search for it. Right. So from here till here we have covered. And now let us get into the actual part where exactly I use all the laptops. So as you can see here, I have two laptops. This is my work laptop and this is a monitor which is connected to my work laptop. And this is my personal laptop where all the videos got recorded and also get edited out of this laptop. And I also have an iPad which I predominantly use to strategize the content and also sketch some of the architectural diagrams. So this is the iPad that I use. I think it's 11-inch or 13-inch, I'm not sure. iPad Pro. And you can check out that as well. And this is a Keychron keyboard that I have. So I think this is MacBook Pro. I don't know. I'm not good at remembering all these things, but I think I can let you know. I can provide the links to that in the description. So this is the cable from GreenSoul. It's not affiliate or something. So this is how exactly it looks. I think it's remote operated or button operated. We can make it stand and you can work while standing as well. And this is my MacBook Pro. And this is a 300 rupee tripod that I use to hold the phone. And this is the light that you saw here from Kiro, I think, or Creo, I don't know. So it has got some modes. You can adjust it here. I think you can, if you press on this, it changes the intensity. If you want, you can increase the intensity as well, right? So you can play around with this. And it has got the mode as well. If you want, you can change the settings, as you can see. And this is the monitor from Dell, right? And this is a phone that I use to manage the community. This is a note that I've received from AWS Community Builders program. And if you are someone who is working for Darewix, you might have received this. This is a tiny little souvenir that every employee gets, right? So I've gotten that as well. And this is the light tick setup that I have from Digitech. So I just recently purchased this one. And cable management is a hell. Don't ask me about that. So this is how exactly it looks from the back. And this is exactly where I place my phone to record it, sitting right here. All right. This is how exactly it looks. So on top of here, I have a shelf where I store all the goodies and things like that. So don't judge me because of that. So this is exactly where I have the strategy for the content, and these are the badges that I've received in the community events and the college events that I've attended. So I'm planning to collect some more. So these are some of the ones that I have. And now to talk about the chair itself, I think it's from GreenSoul again. I'm not exactly sure. I purchased it recently. This is how exactly it looks. So this is doing its job pretty well. I did not find it difficult to use this, and it's pretty good as well. It's like you can adjust your sitting adjustments and things like that. So it's doing its job well. I mean, that's all about it. So like I mentioned, so if you are someone who is looking to upgrade your desk setup, take this as an inspiration. I had nothing but just that table when I get started. So I still keep it because of the memory that I have with that table. And that is exactly the product that I bought from my very first salary, right? So I still have that. So all this upgradation was because of my companies that I work for and the community that I have within YouTube. So keep this as a motivation. Do not judge me because of this. I know it has got a lot of improvements to be done. I'll slowly do that. I'm not showing off or something in this particular video. Just wanted to share what I do with all of you, being a tech member. So let me know, how did you find about this desk setup or the studio tour? If you liked it, do let me know. If there are any enhancements or improvements that I work on, that I can work on, do let me know in the comments as well. Also, let me know if you're using some of the products that I'm already using, right? So that gives me a sense that I did a good purchase because most of you are already using. So yeah, if you are looking to buy these products, the links are in the description. Again, I'm not marketing or affiliating it to any of the product owners. Just letting you know, if you are going to purchase from the affiliate links, I'll donate all the money that I get from the affiliate links, right? So that's the whole motivation. So that's the goal for 2026. So if you're in line and if you are looking to buy a product, which is exactly what I have, so go ahead and do that. If not, that's fine, right? Thank you so much for watching. Also, let me know if I want to make or produce such videos in future as well. I don't know if this motivates or does a job, but I just wanted to let you know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.